Hi, good morning. Another day, another surgery. Today, I'm here in Pasig City, no, Biko, Mayor Biko Soto. I'm now here in Pasig City at Montinola Aesthetic Laser Center. Today, we're going to have another collaborative surgery. No? Sabi ko nga noon, hindi lang sa vlogging nagkakaroon ng collaboration. Also in surgery. So, our case for today is thigh lift. No? Medyo malaking pasyente. Doktora Madeline Montinola will be doing the liposuction and syempre will be helping each other on the lift. So, Doktora Madeline Montinola is one of our graduates sa aming training program sa Philippine Academy of Aesthetic Surgery. And syempre ako, as a mentor, I'm very happy for her. Very successful. Napakagaling po niya, si Dr. Madeline Montinola. Actually, nandito po siya. Natawagin ko po si Dr. Madeline Montinola. Yan, she will explain yung procedure kasi siya yung magaling sa mga liposuction. Yan ang kanyang specialty. No? Liposuction and yung mga laser, mga ganyan. Tayo po, ano lang tayo, chuchuwa lang tayo rito. No? So, Dr. Madeline Montinola of her clinic.
Hello, welcome here at Montinola Aesthetic Laser Center. So today, we will be partnering with Dr. Vasquez and we will be doing thigh lift surgery, liposuction, and orthoplasma skin tightening. So, as I have explained in my previous videos, it's not all the time na tightening lang, no? Meron talagang hindi nakakaya ng tightening alone. So, we will be combining it with thigh lift surgery because very excessive na talaga yung skin ng pasyente sa thighs niya. And despite of a lot of efforts with machine tightening, working out, hindi na talaga kinakaya ng mga treatment na yun. So, doon papasok yung mga thigh lift surgeries na yan. So, yon. Later on, papakita namin sa inyo yung magiging result.
Okay. So, that's our case for today. Sana po magawa namin kaagad para umabot kami ng lunch. So, another day, another surgery, another day, another watch.
Another watch.
Congo, I got this from Mr. Mark Bermudez. So, MB Agkawili. Shout out to him. No? Napaka bait po niyan si Mr. Bermudez. So, see you. Another day, another surgery. We're done with the procedure, thigh lift, no? Kasi nagsag yung thighs ng pasyente, nag-lose kasi siya ng weight, so we have to lift it. So I'm here with Dr. Montinola, Madeline Montinola. Owns the clinic. Dito po yan sa Pasig, Montinola Laser.
Montinola Aesthetic Laser Center.
Yan, no? Dito po yan sa Pasig. So for all your cosmetic surgery needs, surgical or non-surgical, yung mga taga-Pasig, dito po kayo pumunta kay Dr. Montinola. Ito po yung aming finish surgery. Wala pong ghost surgery dito. No? Panay finish po. No? Yan po. Yun po. So, another day, another surgery. Later po, she will be doing the skin tightening. No?
We're not done yet. Yes, we're not done yet.
Another day, another surgery. See you. Thank you very much, Dr. Madeline Montinola. No? Until our next surgery. No? No ghost surgery po dito. No? Honest po kami. See you.